it's important na hindi ko siya overthink. For me ha, kasi first time ko eh. And confident, pag feeling mo talaga confident kasi sa'yo, I think it really shows na parang kahit hindi ako super comfortable pa with the style, enjoy ko siya eh. Kasi it's... Actually, si Jennifer Lopez kasi, isa siya sa dance authorities ko before.
Naman.
Sa world of dance. So medyo, may konting konting pressure ako for this. Kasi, na experience ko yung ma-mentor niya, ganon. So
mabait siya in person?
yeah, actually, kasi parang ganito yung parang ganito rin talaga yung setup niya na parang magko-comment sila, parang before the show itself.
Wow.
Parang magbibigay sila ng comments and everything. So I actually met her in person and yeah, I think yung sass and yung personality niya talaga is something na kailangan ko talaga i-embody for this one. So, ayun.
Tsaka confidence mo nakatulong yung J-Lo na.
Yes.
Huwag kang mag-alala kasi i-request natin. Jamie Network, pakipadala tong video na to ng performance namin.
Yes.
Kay Miss Jennifer Lopez.
Parang, hi mom,